Mindful art. Origami for peace and healing. When we focus on each step of art making, we are fully living in the here and now. Worries, regrets, and anger about the past disappear, and we are free from expectations and anxiety about the future. Today, I invite you to enjoy mindfulness and the sense of calm that comes with it while engaging in origami art. Follow me step by step to fold a piece of paper into a crane. Origami cranes symbolize peace and healing. Folding 1,000 origami cranes for someone seriously ill has been a healing tradition in Japan, my home country. This practice is very personal for me. When I got ill as a child, my classmates folded 1,000 origami cranes and brought them to my bedside. Decades later, in America, my family made 1,000 origami cranes for my husband, who was battling cancer. We can fold origami cranes for our own healing too. Watching a piece of square paper transform into a crane at our fingertips gives us hope and power for recovery and rebirth. In mindful art, the process is more important than the outcome. Acknowledge any rising thoughts without judgment and let them go. Keep your heart open and allow it to feel whatever emotions come up. Tears have healing power. Letting yourself feel and express emotions without holding back is the first step toward healing. And please remember, you are not your feelings. You are much bigger and more powerful than any of them. If a painful emotion arises, just feel it as a physical sensation without adding thoughts and creating a story. Just observe your emotions come and go as big and small waves arrive and leave the shore. Stay in the present, not traveling back to the pain in the past or imagining painful situations in the future. Focusing on each folding of origami paper will help you stay in the here and now. So pick up a piece of origami paper. If you don't have it, you can make one by cutting a copy or wrapping a paper into a square. When you are ready, let's begin folding together. How did it go? Let me and the other viewers know about your experience by posting a comment under this video. I would love to read it. You can keep your origami crane for yourself or give it to your family member or friend who needs healing. You may also want to fold 1,000 cranes for your loved one with serious illness or send them to the Peace Memorial Park in Hiroshima, Japan. The park will record your name and country and offer your origami cranes to the Children's Peace Monument with others sent from all over the world. Many schools and communities carried out the 1,000 crane project to participate in the global peace movement. More than 10 million origami cranes are dedicated to the memorial every year. The link to the instructions for sending origami cranes to the Peace Memorial Park is under this video. If you like this video, please support my work by giving a thumbs up or subscribing to my channel. Your action will help me reach more people who want to learn mindful practices. I share creative ways to incorporate mindfulness into our daily lives so we can cultivate more peace and joy. I hope to see you in my other videos. Thank you for watching. I wish you peace.